Camilla, duchesse de Cornouailles, était vexée que Meghan Markle ait reçu un patronage spécial que la future reine consort voulait, selon des affirmations découvertes. Camilla a été annoncée aujourd'hui comme la nouvelle marraine royale du Théâtre national, un honneur qui lui a été décerné par la reine. Meghan avait initialement obtenu le poste de Sa Majesté, mais a renoncé au titre lorsqu'elle et son mari, le prince Harry, ont démissionné en tant que membres de la famille royale. C'était l'un des deux patronages royaux que la reine a accordé à Meghan. But when the honor had been given to Meghan originally, Camilla was reportedly upset at an apparent snub by her mother-in-law, wishing the role had been given to herself. At the time, a source told The Time, she really wanted it. She was pretty miffed when it went to Meghan, and will be all the more delighted to take it on now, after being disappointed not to get it first time round. Meghan was in the role for around 2 years at the capital's iconic theatre, but only managed to attend one official engagement at the premise, in January 2019. In March the following year, with her statue à patron under threat following her wish to move away from royal life, she visited the premise privately again. Camilla has spoken previously of her fondness of the theatre, expressing her passion for the art. Speaking at the Olivier Awards in 2020, the Duchess of Cornwall said, "I believe in theatre. It's the cornerstone of a fertile cultural life, a forum for debate and a powerful means of building community. Perhaps more importantly, those of us who believe in the theatre also believe in its resilience." During the initial lockdown during the coronavirus pandemic, she offered her support to those working in the theatre. She implored them to please remain resilient, reminding employees that we need you, and we missed you. Camilla new role at the National Theatre is reportedly another sign of Her Majesty's trust in her daughter-in-law is blossoming. The first seeds of such trust were noted when the Queen endorsed Camilla to be the future Queen Consort, in a message marking her Platinum Jubilee. Meghan official removal from the patronage occurred following a review of her and Harry's role last year. Report shows that insiders at the National Theatre were excited to welcome Camilla to the role, noting her passion for the art. The National Theatre said it was delighted Camilla, with a long-standing portée of the art, was taking on the role and described her a devoted fan of theatre. Director and Joint Chief Executive of the National Theatre, Rufus Norris, said, "It is a privilege to welcome the Duchess of Cornwall as the National Theatre Royal Patron. The Duchess shares her belief that theatre enrich our lives in so many ways and that everyone should have access to the art and creativity no matter where they are in the world." Camilla existing patronage include the Royal Academy of Dance, Royal Society of Literature, Friends of the Royal Academy, London Chamber Orchestra, National Youth Orchestra, Théâtre Royal Bath, Unicorn Theatre for Children and Georgian Theatre Royal. Her Majesty continue to have a long-standing relationship with the National Theatre, which spans from its days at the Old Vic in the 60s. She last visited the South Bank establishment in 2013, marking the theatre's 50th anniversary. Meghan and Harry, along with their son Archie, opted to move across the pond to Canada, before settling in the US after ditching their royal role. Harry, like Meghan, also lost a host of titles, including his beloved position as patron of the Rugby Football Union and the Rugby Football League.